Hello everyone, want to log into Deepseek using Google? Stick around and I'll show you how to do it in just few clicks. First, open your Deepseek app, make sure it's updated for the best experience. Now, look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. This will bring up the login options. You will see several ways to sign in. Since we are using Google, click Sign In with Google. If you are already signed into a Google account, just select it. If not, enter your Google email and password, then hit Next. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you will be logged into your Deepseek account and ready to explore. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up right here and choose any login method that works for you. Easy, right? If this helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.